Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Mitchell Reese, your Salt Lake Realtor. So today I thought we would do a little tour of downtown Salt Lake City. And as you can see, we start here on South Temple and we're starting by the Delta Center. So we're going to have a couple of times where we skip ahead, but I'm not skipping ahead to any different streets. We're starting here at the Delta Center, walking east, and there's a couple spots where there's not much to see, so we skip ahead a little bit and we turn right going south on Main Street. So once we get to Temple Square, we'll walk south on Main Street and take a look at what restaurants and different buildings and places to go are on Main Street. So we're going to walk by great places like starting here at the Delta Center where the Jazz play, where the future NHL hockey team that we just got are going to play. And then there's speculated rumors that we could possibly get an MLB team in Utah. So who knows where that would be. But Utah is going to be a great place for sports. It already is, and it's getting even better. So starting at the Delta Center and we go down east on South Temple, we're going to pass by just some regular business buildings and we're going to end up at Temple Square. And so Temple Square, you're going to see the Salt Lake City Temple under renovation. All of Temple Square is obviously built by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, which I'm a member of. If you actually have questions on that, you can also reach out to me. But overall, if you had questions about Utah in general and moving there or selling or buying in the area, my number will be up in the corner of the screen. And then the Salt Lake Temple is being renovated because it's being renovated to withstand any potential earthquakes in the future. And then walking south on Main Street, you're going to see that there's not a ton of nightlife in the Utah area, but there's a ton of fun activities. So there's going to be a few bars, but mostly restaurants and museums and the Clark Planetarium, just beautiful places like that to really learn new things, see what's out there in the world. And Utah just really is a great place for all that and known for its outdoor activities. So Utah is becoming the greatest, or Salt Lake City specifically is becoming the greatest city for a job market. A lot of businesses are moving here. And so there's going to be much more construction to come. As you can see that huge crane over there. Obviously that's going for the Salt Lake Temple itself. But I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of this tour. Hopefully this gives you a little taste of what downtown Salt Lake City is like for when you visit or when you come to see if you would want to move to the area and come see what fun there is to do downtown. So once again, make sure to reach out if you're interested in buying, selling, or investing in real estate in Salt Lake and in the Valley. And then make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And enjoy my occasional breathing in the microphone as well as some great views. So enjoy the tour. We'll see you on the next video.
football. When this Texas go around,